Lopez, and I'll be showing you how to make perfect mini sandcastles. So, the first thing I'm going to be explaining is the things that you need. Number one, you need this kind of sand, which you will be finding in this packet, or you can find in Mexico. That's where my dad got it from. Second, you need these sandcastles. Now don't freak out, they come with the packet, so it'll be easy. And third, you need parchment paper so the sand doesn't get all over the place. Now, shall we begin? Okay, we're starting in rainbow order with red. Red goes in the beginning of the rainbow. You grab some sand, put it in there. You squeeze it in there so you get a good layer of bricks when the coating's out. And then, once you've done that, see, it's all messy. So, you scrape off the parts that are not needed. Make it all smooth for the bottom. Now that should be perfect. Now, bung it like this to get it out of there. Now that red is finished, I'm going to put it right here. And now for rainbow order, yellow. There's no orange, so skip to yellow. Put sand in. Squeeze it in there very strong. Smooth it out. And it should be ready now. Oops. And there we go. And now since we finished the yellow, we're gonna go to green. Some of these castles are different, so you want to pay attention. The same thing for this castle, but again, some are different. Smooth. Just like that. Now let's get it out. Voila. And now we've done this green, now for the second green. But this is one of the different ones. This green is one of the different ones. So, you want to do that, make it kind of thin again, flat and stuff. And then you go like this. Or maybe you should try the other way. And grab some, squeeze it in there to make it tight. Now this you don't have to hit out. All you have to do is done. see it better. Okay, well, this is done. Now there's two more of those. So this one is actually, it looks like you're gonna be like, oh, it's the same, it's just blue. But, as you can see, watch this. When I get it out, you're gonna say, oh, it is different. No bricks, just a plain, pretty tile. And now for the very last one. You might want to make this one high because it's this pretty tall. There you go. Squish it in there. Done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you have, and leave a giant thumbs up if you really like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.